Welcome back. Just Chilly Days, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks, and we also talk about dividend stocks, and we also talk about personal finance. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get the frequent updates. Well, the big news of the day in the stock market was Apple. Apple did release its new iPhone. Here's an article here on CNBC about the new iPhone. Just to go really quickly to the Apple page. Let's see. On apple.com. Okay, here we are on apple.com. It says introducing iPhone i15 Pro, iPhone 15, Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Ultra Watch, and a major step toward making all products carbon neutral by 2030. So this was the website this afternoon. You could watch the event. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro was released, and Tim Cook and them talked about the new phone. Let's go over to CNBC really quickly and just see the news. Okay, there's an article here on CNBC. It says everything Apple just announced at the event 2023, the iPhone 15, a new Apple Watch, and updated AirPods. Many of the people stating there's no one reason I'd upgrade to an iPhone Pro after trying it, although I have last year's. Okay. So that's the big discussion on the new iPhone. Why would I buy the new iPhone 15? Are the features that much better than they were in iPhone 14? Okay. Also in the news, Google engaged in a monopolistic feedback loop to maintain search dominance. The DOJ alleges, so that's the Department of Justice. There's one other big event that I saw. It's coming up this week. It's the news on the UAW strike. So be aware of that. That the United Auto Workers may strike in the next 24 hours. I think that's about it I wanted to cover as far as news. Let's see here. Yeah, I think that's about it. Well, let's go over to my Robinhood for a moment. Okay, here we are in the Robinhood, and today there wasn't much activity. The portfolio is down $23, or basically 1%. The news of the new Apple phone did not get the market going at all. Pretty much most of the market was flat, including Tesla was down today. Nvidia was down, and several other tech stocks were down. Let's see. Upstart Holdings, ticker UPST, was up 4.44%. Ticker symbol SQ or Square was up 1%. And a few other stocks. Looks like Roblox was up. Ford Motor Company was up 2.29%. And the Revolve Group was up 0.15%. So that was about it. The news of the day was Apple. Apple stock did pop a little bit after hours. If we look at this stock here, you can see after hours or overnight, the stock was up 0.15%. So that was Apple after hours of announcing a new iPhone 15. Let's head over to the TD Ameritrade account. Okay, pretty much the same. We're down 0.68 for a loss of $293. Ford shares were up today 2.45%. Again, they are possibly going on strike soon, the workers, if they cannot reach a tentative deal. The workers basically want a 32-hour work week, and also they want a sizable pay raise. Some estimates say they want a 10 to 15% pay raise, but the company is only willing to give a 10%. Again, Ford shares were up today 2.45%. Also, SoFi Technologies, the new bank, was up 1.12%. One Main Financial, a dividend-paying stock. One Main Financial Holdings do personal loans, and they were up 2.99. And ticker symbol COP. COP or ConocoPhillips was up 2.19%. Remember, this is an oil stock or energy stock. They were up 2.19%. And as you see gas prices go up, you may see an increase in energy, whether it's ConocoPhillips, ExxonMobil, or Chevron. Okay, so that's about it. Also, really quickly, another favorite, Occidental Petroleum. This is by Warren Buffett. The shares were up today 4% as well. Now, today, as I mentioned, some of the heavier tech stocks were down, such as Tesla. Let's look at those losers today. Tesla TSLA was down slightly, 2.16%. Microsoft was down 1.78%. Okta was down 2.76%. And Apple shares were down during the day, but they did pop slightly in after hours, but they were down for most day 1.68%. So we'll see if the news of the new iPhone 15 get the share price to rally. They did announce that they will be working with Qualcomm this week, so that is still good news that Apple will continue that relationship with Qualcomm for those chips. But other than that, as you can see, ChargePoint continues to fall lower. The stock is down over 40% this year after they missed earnings on last week. Share price doesn't get any better. So that was about it. Also, Google, as we mentioned earlier, the Department of Justice is targeting them for monopolistic behavior. Again, Google has many tools they use in advertisement with their searches, and the Department of Justice is stating that they are a monopoly. Okay, so that is the news again. The top stock today was Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F. Shares were up today 2.45%. But remember, there's a possible strike coming. So GM, Ford Motor Company, and Stellantis may be going on strike, which will cause car production to stop. Okay, so that deadline is, I believe, tomorrow night at midnight. They're either going to go on strike or they're going to reach a tentative deal. Okay, so that was my video for today. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. I'll see you guys in the next one. Good night.